Welcome back to eComHardy.com, your ultimate resource for all things e-commerce. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Shopify web development versus WooCommerce web development. We'll dive into the details and help you make an informed decision for your online business. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our valuable content. Alright, let's get started. Shopify and WooCommerce are two leading e-commerce platforms, each with its own set of advantages and features. In this video, we'll present an unbiased comparison to help you choose the right platform for your business. Let's start by exploring Shopify, the powerhouse of e-commerce platforms. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features that cater to businesses of all sizes. One of its key advantages is the ease of use it offers. Shopify's intuitive interface and simple setup process make it a top choice, even for those without technical expertise. You can quickly get your online store up and running without the need for coding knowledge. Another significant advantage of Shopify is its robust set of features. Shopify provides an all-in-one solution for your e-commerce needs. From inventory management and order fulfillment to secure payment gateways and marketing tools, Shopify has got you covered. Their user-friendly admin panel allows you to easily manage inventory, track orders, and customize your store according to your preferences. Their infrastructure ensures high-speed performance and reliable uptime, even during peak periods. When it comes to design and customization, Shopify offers a wide range of options. WooCommerce, a plugin for WordPress, is another popular choice for e-commerce businesses. It offers a different set of advantages and customization options. One of the key advantages of WooCommerce is its seamless integration with WordPress. If you already have a WordPress website or plan to build one, WooCommerce integrates effortlessly, leveraging the power of WordPress's content management system. This integration opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to tap into the extensive ecosystem of WordPress plugins and themes for further customization. With WooCommerce, you have complete control over your online store's functionality and look. Access to the underlying code enables you to modify every aspect according to your specific requirements. This level of flexibility empowers businesses with unique needs or complex product offerings. Another advantage of WooCommerce is its cost-effectiveness. WooCommerce is an open-source platform, which means the core software is free to use. This can be a significant advantage, especially for small businesses or startups operating on a limited budget. While there may be expenses associated with additional extensions or premium themes, WooCommerce offers a more affordable starting point compared to other platforms. The WooCommerce community is vibrant and supportive. Being part of the WordPress ecosystem, WooCommerce benefits from a vast community of users. There are numerous resources, tutorials, and forums available where you can seek help and advice. Additionally, many third-party developers specialize in WooCommerce, making it easier to find the support. In conclusion, both Shopify and WooCommerce have their strengths, and the right choice ultimately depends on your business's specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize ease of use, robust features, and scalability, Shopify may be the ideal option for you. On the other hand, if you seek flexibility, customization, and cost-effectiveness, WooCommerce might be the perfect fit. We hope this comparison has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at eComHardy.com for more e-commerce tips, tricks, and in-depth reviews. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.